Hello viewers, you see Mustafai Graphics Academy YouTube channel and I am your host Mohammad Faizan. In this video, I am going to discuss what is graphic designing. According to Wikipedia, graphic designing is a profession, academic discipline and applied art whose activity consists in projecting visual communities indeed to transmit specific message to social groups with specific objectives. Another definition of graphic designing is graphic design is defined as the art and practice of planning and projecting ideas and experiences with visual and textual content. In other terms, graphic designing communicates certain ideas or messages in a visual way. I hope you understand the definition of graphic designing. Thanks for watching my video and I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel and like my video and share with your friends. Thank you so much.